But what I need is my own sweetheart tonight to keep me warm and away from harm. And nowhere is better than your loving arms. So won't you be my sweetheart? You gotta be my sweetheart.
Share a story.